Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Vimeo. Now, this is a complete beginner's tutorial, so make sure to follow the simple steps as I show you. Now first, all you have to do is go to your computer browser, of course, and under the search bar, just type on Vimeo. Now, as you can see, Vimeo is a video hosting, sharing, and services platform provided by New York City, and it focuses on the delivery of high-definition video across range. So as you can see right here, I'm just gonna go to this link right here that says vimeo.com. So I'm just gonna click that. As you can see, automatically it will lead us to Vimeo website. Now you have two choices right here. You can see the plans right here. So these are the pricing plans right here. So the starters plan costs around $12, and the standard is $20, and the advanced is $65, and the enterprise, you can actually contact the sales for their pricing. Now for now, I'm just gonna select join for free right here, and let us just enter an email address, or you can just simply join with Google right here. So I'm just gonna select join with Google, and I'm gonna enter the email address that we want to use for Vimeo. So as you can see right here, it is still processing, and now once you have done that, it will say what brings you to Vimeo. So just select whatever you want to do. So I'm just gonna select discover, watch videos, create video templates right about here. So you can only choose one, I believe. So I'm just gonna select create videos for templates, and I'm just gonna select continue. So how do you use your videos? So I'm just gonna say for work right here, or you can use or select any other purposes on what you want to use for your video. So for now, I'm just going to select for work right here, and I'm going to click on submit. So once you have done that, you have the option right now to select a plan. So for now, I'm not going to select a plan right here. So I'm just going to select start free trial right here, and it will lead me to this subscription right here. So all you have to do is to enter the details of your card right here, and it will lead you to the Vimeo dashboard right about now. So once I have done that, we can now start creating videos using Vimeo. Now you have a lot of options on what you want to do, or what processes or types you want to have for your video. So you have the upload a video, you can record a video, you can create a video, or you can actually create an event like a virtual event or a webinar. So for now, I'm just going to select upload right here. Now to do that, all you have to do is to upload a video. So I'm just going to select choose files right here. So for example, I'm going to select this video right here. Just gonna head and open, and as you can see, it is still processing. It is now uploading, and once your upload is done, it will lead you to this page right here. And now once your uploading is done, you have now all the options you want to do. So under sharing right here, you have the option to allow download. So if you want someone or some other people to download your video, all you have to do is toggle this one on, but it requires the upgraded version of Vimeo. And you have people can add the showcases. You can actually toggle this one on if you want to, or if you don't want to do that, just toggle this one off. And now is the unlisted right here, so only people with the link can access right there. So if you see this upgrade icon right here, it says that you need to upgrade your Vimeo subscription so that you can actually use the option right here. And next is the password. So only people with the password can access this one. And next is hide video. So private on your account, but embeddable anywhere else. So if you want to do that, you just toggle this one here right here. But as you can see, it needs the pro version or the subscription or the upgraded version of Vimeo. And next is the private, so only you and people on your account can access this one. So if you want to do that, you can actually just click on that. Or if you want this particular video that we have uploaded to be public, just actually click on that as well. And next is the embed. So where can the video be embedded?
Plus icon, right?
So I'm just gonna select. You can actually select anywhere or nowhere, or if you want to embed this particular video on any specific domains or website, you need the upgrade version as well. So next is to go to content right here. So select rating is encouraged. So if your video is unrated, viewers in certain countries won't be able to access it even if you make it public. So we're just gonna click the drop down right here. So if your video is about mature content, just click on mature right here. Or if your video is all about is not about a mature content or some sensitive content, just click on the all audiences right here. So if your video contains an advertisement, you can actually click on this as well. If not, just actually don't do that. So next is, let's go to player right here. So you can actually edit the appearance of your video right here. And next is, so if you want to edit the appearance of a video right here, it says for advanced player settings, all you have to do is to upgrade to a starter plan. So for now, I don't have a starter plan, so we can actually do that. And next is the chapters. So you can actually select a chapters right here, like a divider right about here that says chapters. So it needs also the upgrade version of Vimeo to actually do that. So once you have done that, actually, if we are done with our editing and stuff, just click on the 3 dotted lines right here and just simply publish to social. Or you can actually stream this live, you can replace this video or download this video or send this video file, or just simply delete this video. So if you are done with that, just click on the publish to social right here, and as you can see, it will lead you need to connect your social media accounts like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Shopify, and TikTok. So if you just click on connect right here if you want to connect this one, and next if you want to click on next right here. And once you have done that, it will now your video will now be uploaded on the certain social media platform that we have just connected. Now next is I'm going to show you the record option. So the record option is you will record yourself or record your screen or both, and your microphone will also be as well. As you can see, make sure to click on to allow the camera and the video microphone so that you will be recording your self. So for now, you have the option to record your screen, or you will choose a camera right here, or you can actually use both. So for now, I'm just going to use screen right here and select the microphone and just simply type on start recording. So as you can see, this is the record that we have shown right here. So just click on share right about there, and as you can see, it is now recording. And now once you have done that, you can now actually upload your particular video that we have just actually have recorded. And next is I'm going to show you the create option. So for now, this is to start from scratch or choose a template. So I'm just going to select start create right here. And as you can see, it will lead us to this portion right here. So as you can see, you have a bunch of different templates you can actually use. And a video type, you can actually select a video type. Like for example, if your video is about Facebook, you can actually select Facebook right here. Or if your video is marketing, you can actually select a category right here. You have some e-commerce, some business, and some seasonal right here. So for now, I'm just going to select create your own right here. And you can actually get a quick video, and you can upload some photos and clips, and Vimeo will do its magic. They will actually create a video for us, or just create start from scratch right here. So I'm just going to select start from scratch, and as you can see right here, we have now gone to our video editor right here. And as you can see, you can actually have a lot of templates we can use. So for now, I'm just going to select this templates right here. Let's choose this one, and all you have to do is to wait for it. And now you can actually add a new scene right here. You can actually add some text if you want to, or upload some media if you want to. And you can actually add some brand right here, but you need a purchase trial for this actually. And now, for example, this is the video that we have actually chosen, so I'm just going to select this one right here. And next is if you want to add some text, you can add some text right here, like for example, education right about there. Just select that one, and actually you can actually resize and reposition right about there. If you want to add some graphics, all you have to do is to select that one right here. As you can see right here, you can add some shapes right about there, and that's basically it. And if you have done that, just click on save right here, and it will automatically go to the upload option in Vimeo. So you can upload this on any social media accounts, right? Might as well like the ones we have done before. So next, lastly, I'm going to show you the events option. So we can actually create some events video. For example, if you have a virtual event or a webinar, you can actually create an event right here. And as you can see, you can actually have a live broadcast, or you can actually create a webinar. So for now, we don't have the option to do this because this is still a demo. So let's just select create a webinar right here. So it will lead us to this option right here. So what type of organization will you use for virtual events? So just click on, let's say, large business. So what kind of work you do? Let's just say human resources. So what do you typically run? Virtual events. So as you can see right here, these are the software that we can actually have. So let's just say my team and I are using OBS right here. So what kind of content do you share in virtual events? So just select mostly live content, or mix of live and pre-recorded content, and mostly pre-recorded content. So this is up to you. So for now, I'm just going to select mostly live content. So how often do you plan to host events? So actually this depends on the person, or how many times per week, or how many days you want to actually select right here. So I'm just going to select a few times per week. So how do you plan to use virtual events? So if you don't know yet, just click on I don't know yet. Or if your virtual event is about faith and worship, or internal communications, some lead generation, some performance and creative arts. So I'm just going to select employee training and onboarding right here. Or if you don't want to do that, you can actually just skip survey right here. So I have already done this. I'm just going to select on submit right here. And it will lead you to this page right here. So they have some technical difficulties right here. So as you can see right here, you can actually search for videos on folders or templates you can actually have for this one. So as you can see, the Vimeo events is still on demo. So there are a lot of technical difficulties still, but I hope you get the gist of it, and that's about the events. So you can actually edit the events or the webinar you actually have right about here. So I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you have some comments, suggestions, or even some questions, just simply put it down in the comment section below, and I will try my best to actually read and reply to those comments. So with that being said, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on the notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!